Hello everyone, welcome to Pura Vida Culture. Today I'm going to teach you how to make chimichurri, how we say in Costa Rica, Pico de Gallo. So we call it chimichurri. So I'm going to show you how to do it. This is my beautiful princess. My beautiful princess. I'm going to show you how to make that. So we need for that tomatoes, lemons or limes. You can use limes too. Cilantro, onions, a little bit of ketchup, and a little bit of vinegar. But I'm going to put the recipe at the end with all that you need and the measurements. And this is the best pico de gallo ever, so just keep tuned for that. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. The first thing that we're going to do is to cut the tomatoes, to chop them. So you gotta do it really small, like this one, like that. So we're going to show you how. You just slice tomato. Leave that part there. This one here. Just have to make sure that your knife is very sharp. Just do it this way. That's it. Now after that, after you chop all the tomatoes, we are going to do, I think I have 2 there, 3, 4 tomatoes. 3, 5, 6 tomatoes. I didn't go very well math. So we're going to chop all of them. After that, we're going to do the onions. The onions has to be like fine diced, very finely diced, the same as I have showed you before in the other videos. If you want to see how, you need to watch the other videos. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, comment. If you want us to do a recipe for you, just let us know. So let's keep doing this. I finished chopping all the tomatoes, and I add half a row of cilantro and 3/4 of a cup of onions, finely chopped, both of them. And now I'm going to add the lemons. Don't forget to take the skin off, because if you don't, you're going to have the zest flavor on the chimichurri or pico de gallo, so you don't want that, because it would taste really bad. So you just squeeze all the lemons, and I will tell you later how many I'm going to use, because I don't really measure the lemons, so I will tell you later how much. I just try. I put like some quantity and try and see if it needs more or not. But you gotta put enough. It would need at least 10 lemons. It all depends the lemons too, how much juice do they have and all that. So hey guys, we finished. We put the lemons in, and I put 8 lemons, and I also add 1/4 of vinegar and salt to taste. I'm just going to add just a little bit of ketchup, just to take the acidic taste of the lemons, just a little bit. That's it. That is for me. If you want to add a little bit more, you can, but for me, like that is fine. So look at these guys, so delicious. So you have a really nice pico de gallo. In our next video, we are going to make some tacos, and we are going to put some of these with lettuce on top. so it's going to be really good. So please watch the next video as well, and share these videos with somebody that you know, some friends, and also subscribe, comment, and see you in the next video to make some tacos.